let's open up one of these packages and take a look at what comes inside. Here we have the base, which is kind of like a greeting card thickness or cardstock thickness. It comes with 1 or 2 sticker sheets, and these are a clear plastic, and they're very, very tiny. Like some of these are the size of a pencil eraser. And then it doesn't come with any instructions, so you're really just going off of the completed image that's usually on the back of the packaging. You can think of this as like a jigsaw puzzle where it doesn't really come with instructions. It just shows you what the final product should look like, and then you have to kind of work your way backwards. Now, if you're familiar with sticker scene books that are for kids, you'll know that these tend to be just like flat scenery, and the stickers themselves usually have like the white border all the way around the stickers. And so miniature stickers are a little bit different in that the stickers don't have that white border, and they're also drawn in a way that makes it look like it has 3D perspective, because I've also seen these stickers called 3D DIY landscapes or 3D DIY rooms. You'll notice that if you just start putting stickers wherever you want on this page, it's probably going to look a little bit off balance, mainly because the big pieces of furniture are made at an angle, so they should line up with the ceiling or the floor or the lines of the wall in order for it to look like it's 3D. So that is a part of this activity that makes it more challenging and more of a puzzle rather than just like these, kid sticker play sets where you put stickers wherever you want. Now, I first discovered these on Instagram, I think. I saw an ad for it, and they're probably similar on TikTok, where if you watch one of these videos, you'll get sent to a TikTok shop or a Shopify store. And I initially did not buy from those stores, mainly because the shipping time was really long. For the shipping to come from China, the estimate was like 3 to 4 weeks to get to the US. So of course, you know what I did? I went to Amazon, and lo and behold, there's a ton of these sticker scenes on Amazon, which look just like the ones that I was seeing on Instagram or TikTok. And so the set I bought from Amazon, I'll leave the link for that below in the video description. The price was really good. It came out to around like $1 per set of these, and I think it came in a package of like 15. This is a really cute set to buy as a starter if you're interested in this activity, because each of these sets comes with its own set of plastic tweezers in the packaging. It's really nice to give as gifts or to do it with a group of kids, either at a birthday party or, classroom Valentine's party. And yeah, we had a really good time making these. The only downside I would say of this set is it is a variety of seasons and scenes in there. So there are 2 or 3 that were definitely Christmas or winter themed, and then 2 or 3 that were Halloween or more spooky themes. The rest of them were pretty generic, like little shops or bedrooms that you could do anytime. So after I bought that first set on Amazon, I did some more shopping around, and I discovered AliExpress, and I'd never ordered from them before. So you can watch this video here on the sticker haul that I did and my experiences ordering from AliExpress, and I didn't notice any difference in the quality of the stickers that I bought from Amazon versus the ones I bought from AliExpress. They do have way more variety on AliExpress, which is one of the major reasons that I recommend ordering from them if this is a hobby that you're going to get obsessed about. Okay, and now I just want to go over some things you should know about this before you make your first order. They are not really recommended for young children, and the reason is that they're very, very tiny. The stickers, some of them are the size of a pencil eraser, and they require you to use a set of tweezers. They're not going to be great for kids that are under like 8 or 9 years old. They probably don't have the hand-eye coordination to be using tweezers in that way, and you'll probably just waste a lot of stickers. Honestly, even myself, when I'm pulling up stickers, sometimes they fall off or they get lost, and then I find them stuck to my clothes, So I wouldn't recommend them for little kids, and then I probably wouldn't recommend them for people that are like super perfectionist. Now by this I mean if any of the angles on this drawing are off and it's going to make your eye twitch, this probably won't be a relaxing hobby for you. You'll probably just get really frustrated. The other thing is, if you're not really a patient person, if you're kind of like things to be really fast paced, you probably won't like this either, because it does take some patience to kind of look at the finished picture and then recreate it onto the base. I would say for these standard size, it's taken me between 20 to 30 minutes to finish one of these. The bigger ones that are like multi-level floors, they're usually listed as plus size or large size sticker sets. Those will probably take you like an hour or more, depending on how, perfectionist you are about the placement of the stickers. Some of the benefits of these stickers are they don't take up a lot of space. So if you get into Legos or dollhouse making, you know that you need a ton of space, and then you need like pretty much like a workbench to put your stuff together. These kind of give me similar vibes of making something without having a huge commitment of space in my living room. The other thing about it is, since they are a paper stationery item, you could reuse them for other crafts. So they make really cute decorations for your notebook covers, or to put in a junk journal, or even you could make greeting cards with them, which hopefully I'll plan on doing a video on that soon, how to repurpose these into different other crafts. So let me know in the comments if you've tried these, and even if you didn't like them, let us know like what you didn't like about them.